We have a dual screen here. This is going to be for your radio. You also can control your cameras through here if you like. Or you can turn it on through here. This is only going to be a monitor for your cameras. You'll see when you first turn it on, it'll default to the backup camera. The backup camera is convenient, obviously, for backing up, but also if you have a tow car behind you, this will be right there on your tow vehicle so you can make sure everything's good while you're driving down the road. Also, you have a left and a right camera option. So if you turn your left directional, it automatically switches over to left side camera. So changing lanes makes it easier and takes the blind spots away. Turn it back off, it'll return back to the back camera. You turn your right directional, the right side camera will come on. Again, it'll light up the right side of your coach, take the blind spots out of place. Let's say you're driving and you're on a really tight road and you want to see the right side of your coach. Not a lot of room. You can manually turn your cameras to see the left side or the right side. So this camera is going to show the right side of the road. So again, it's more of a safety feature for you so you can see how close you are to the side of the road. But you still have your tow car in the back. What do you do then? You can come to your main camera here on your main screen. Click it on. It's going to go to your backup camera automatically. If you lock this screen in, nothing else will come on this at all. So your radio display functions or anything like that will not make this camera go off. So it's a real good safety feature. Also, if you turn your directionals on, that always will display on the backup camera. Once you want to get back to normal operation mode, you can just click this on back onto your backup camera, touch your screen here, release the unlock button, and now you can go back to your radio and listen to your radio if you like.